Today I'm going to try to use the lip sync feature in CapCut to see what it can do to a photo. So here I have a photo imported into my project, and with it highlighted at the bottom, I'm going to find the feature that says Lip Sync. You can see it right down there in the bottom. Click on Lip Sync, and now it's going to ask you to enter a script of what you want the person to say. So I'm just gonna say, hello, everyone in the world, have a great day. Okay, so now I'm gonna select a voice. You can either choose one of these or click more voices. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. There's a lot of options here. New, TikTok, English, female, Spanish, character. There's a whole lot to choose from here. I'm just gonna go to female. Let's do something interesting here. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Okay. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Hello everyone in the world. Hello everyone in the world, have a great... Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one. If you double click on it, you can adjust the speed of their voice. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. I'll just leave it at 1. Hello. All right, now going back to the original screen, I'm just going to close that section. You can choose the model to be either standard or vivid. Standard changes the lip movements only, but it generates your clip faster. And then vivid says natural facial expressions, but it generates slower. So I think you'll have more realistic results with the vivid. So I'm just going to, let's do it. I'm going to say vivid. And this is going to be an estimated credit of 9 credits to generate this. So let's give it a shot. Here we go. I'm going to click generate. Credits will be consumed. Oh, interesting. It says 6 credits, even though the other one said 9. Sure. Now it's applying the lip syncing feature. And you'll see on the bottom left, once that circle is filled, then it's done. Or you can click on it and see the percentage of it applying. Just finished processing. So let's check it out. I'm gonna hit play and see what it does. Hello everyone in the world, have a great day. Wow, okay. That is actually really cool. So even though my original photo was not even showing teeth, it gives a mouth and teeth and a voice, personality. That is very cool. Let's watch it again. Hello, everyone in the world. Have a great day. Okay. And that is the lip sync feature in CapCut. Let me know if you found this helpful.
Hello, everyone in the world. Have a great day.